Welcome to the Palisadoes Foundation. Our Slack community can be joined by going to the Tallower repository on GitHub and clicking on the Join Community on Slack link. The Slack community has a number of discussion channels. The first is a general discussion channel where people talk about topics that are of interest to them. We also have an introductions channel and channels for each of our repositories. The ones that I'm going to focus on are Tallower Mobile, Tallower API, Tallower Admin, and Tallower Docs. We also have automated Slack channels where the GitHub actions are presented, and these are Tallower Mobile GitHub, Tallower API GitHub, Tallower Admin GitHub, and Tallower Docs GitHub. Subscribe to these so that you can see when we have new issues, PRs, and discussions. We also have repository documentation. There's a README file in the root directory of every repository which tells you what to do. In this file, there'll be a link to a contributing.md file which talks about what to do, how to do it, and where to go when you want to become a contributor to the repositories. There's also an issue guidelines file which talks about what you need to do in order to create new issues with our repositories. There's a PR guidelines file for pull requests. Most of the repositories have an installation guide, and some of them will have a configuration guide as well. We also have the docs.tallower.io website where you can get further information, mobile guides, web guides, admin guides, and developer guides as well. We have priorities for our issues. In terms of code, we are looking at serious bugs for priorities, badly broken features, and testing where we want to have 100% code coverage. In terms of documentation, we want to make sure that our documentation is perfect. And so if you find poor documentation in our website or in the various markdown files, please let us know and create an issue for that. To get things set up, first make sure you have a Tallower API instance available to you. This could be either on your local machine or available in the cloud. Some of our contributors have cloud instances that may be available from time to time. Then install the other repositories for you to do your testing. Welcome to the Palisadoes Foundation.